It was the intention of the Prime Minister and the leader of the JLP, Dr. Andrew Holness, to tour the length and breadth of Southeast St. Catherine. But as he approached Waterford, the touring party had to make a U-turn. This as scores of supporters of the People's National Party took over the streets with their candidate, Dr. Alfred Dawes. Dr. Dawes insists there is no malintent.
What we want to show is that Southeast is organically PNP.
As for his supporters,
what exactly did I just watch? I know what I just watched, but before I continue, should actually like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you. This is the heights of tribalism that I have an issue with. And Jamaicans, you guys, why are we like this? Not even we. Why are we like this? What is wrong? People, if you don't need any evidence to show you that some of these politicians do not care about you, this is it. These politicians, a majority of the time, are not out here protesting with the civilians or the members of their communities when lives are lost. Yet you're out here, you're the candidate of this era, and you are out here with them to block off the road from the JLP candidate coming through. I think it was a PNP member at one point said that Jamaica was theirs. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to do some check after I do this video and I'll make the correction above my head if I was wrong or right. This is madness of the highest order, and I want you guys to understand what I'm trying to say to you. This is not the type of politics you should be celebrating, you should be encouraging. You should be doing away with this type of tribalism, type of backward thinking, caveman thinking. This is the type of politics that had people dying in droves. You might see this and feel say it's something funny, it's light-hearted. Oh, it's just a small area. People, this is serious. This is the PNP party, and I will say the PNP party until I see a same tactics being had by the JLP party in today's day and age. This is the party showing you, or the specific candidate showing you, that they do not care about the democratic process. And I come on here every day and I tell you people that I do not trust these politicians, and you allow these politicians to play in your faces, and you prove me right every single day that you are okay with allowing these politicians to play in your face. Let me ask you a question. What would have happened if the candidate that was trying to go through the area decided he was going to force it? What if, because it was the Prime Minister, the acting Prime Minister, what if the acting Prime Minister decided that he wanted to force through the gathering of PNP supporters and the candidate for the area? What if he decided he wanted to force through it? What would happen then? Lives would have been lost. People, I'm done trying to play with you. At this point, I'm just going to come on here. The few people who see it my way, just going to see it my way, and the one that don't see it my way, I'm going to continue coming in my comment section, and I'll continue coming in my DM, and it's just going to continue like this. My goal still is to create a community of world thinkers, and I will hope my community will be formed, and I will have those people to plea my cases with, and we can have good conversations. Because clearly, some of you were not developed properly in the mental capacity area, and that's just what I'm going to leave it at. This is not good, people. This is not a good look. This is not a good look. But those are just my thoughts. What are yours?